Hi, from May 30 to June 3rd, Nifty gained 230 points. Let's see in detail. Welcome to Market Trends powered by Patterson Securities Private Limited. Disclaimer. Nifty on June 1st, as per our calculation, on downside, Nifty went up to 16,438 and our target given 16,437 from the level 16,521. So total we received 83 points. And June 2nd, as per upper side 16,550 above, the next level 16,638, we received 88 points gain. And on June 3rd, market opened gap up and unable to move further, and it has crossed the downside. We mentioned a midpoint as 16,550 and the market came up to 16,567 and minimum 100 to 200 points. We measured the movement and Nifty came to 25 points yesterday overall, and we have a chance of taking a 16,700 put at 145 level, stop loss 122, low as 123 only. So target 206, but it made a high of 223.55 and the total gain 61 on yesterday, and total gain on last week June 1st 83.50 and June 2nd 88 and June 3rd 61, total 232 points. So further, you subscribe our channel to learn about how to make a gain in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And for business contact 98423-0558. My name is Sendil Kumar, patterson.co.in. I have given the Telegram link in description for further detail learning. You can subscribe and join with us. Thanks viewers, subscribe it, share it and like it.